Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Tuesday, August 15th. In the NASDAQ market, we did get the follow through. Last week we talked about the idea of the type of fundamental that was coming out. So far, I think this behavior that we're seeing in the NASDAQ market is right on target. This follow through based upon this rhetoric that we see between governments is usually not a reason that's going to create a trend change, as I talked about. Now, let's see what happens here. We're looking for further movement to the upside on Tuesday, and we have a number of fundamental data points this week that can cause some good volatility, I think, in the NASDAQ market. So follow through to the upside on Tuesday. And let's take a look at these currencies. The euro unchanged, basically inside type day, which is what I was looking for. I think it's right on target based upon the fundamental action that we see here. Japanese yen. Well, and actually I should also talk about the Swissy. The Swissy traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change here is $625. Over in Japanese yen, the magnitude change here between that bearish and bullish level in that market is $937.50. And I do look for further movement to the downside in both of these markets. In the interest rate markets, well, the 10-year notes backed off, traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change in that market, again, just to give you a feel for what's going on there, is $281.25. Just to give you a feel for that. And let's take a look at what's going on with gold. And you figure with all the cooling down, gold should back off, and it did. It traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change here between the bullish and bearish levels in that market is $2,000 a contract, just to give you a feel for that. And I look for further movement to the downside. In crude oil, it also traded just a couple of pennies above its bullish level. Now, the magnitude change here between the bullish and bearish levels in that market is $300 a contract. But missed this nice large move here. I do look for further weakness. Natural gas traded below its bearish level. Magnitude change in that market is $350 a contract. I'm looking for an inside day, though, for that market. And in soybeans, it's getting ready to give us a move to the upside, but it just doesn't seem like the paper is there to do that. But we want to be on guard for an up move in soybeans. In the corn market, magnitude change here is $200 a contract, and I do look for follow through to the upside on Tuesday for that market. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again, and as always, take care.